The best diet for weight loss and maintenance. Okay, what is it? I won't toy with you. Hiya, Renee Jones here. The best diet for weight loss and maintenance is the one you'll do, or the one that truly fits your body. Now, these two may be one in the same plan, but sometimes we can make one work through grit and determination. And that's actually how I lost my weight and reached my goal in 2012. It was painful, but I did it. Maintaining that loss, well, it was easier without the emotional eating, but I just had to do something different to get rid of that tired, hungry, cranky trio that plagued me. Because after 2 years, I had had enough, and I went back to research. I found a way to identify my unique nutrition blueprint. And did it make all the difference in the world to how I felt. I knew I could follow this nutrition plan forever. I'm still following it a decade later. Satisfaction does tend to take the crazy out of nutrition. So, how do you find yours? Well, the thing is, we're all different. The cookie cutter plans will work for some, and like for me, they will leave others starving. If you spent any time on a diet, you know basically what you ate and how you felt and whether or not it worked for you. So if you keep a journal or a log of your food for a couple of weeks, noting whether or not you were hungry, noting how you felt, noting whether or not you had any energy, whether or not certain foods agreed with you or not, those kinds of things. But you'll begin to see a pattern. It's a little time intensive, but it will give you a good idea. The other option is to spend an hour with me so I can take you through the experience to find your unique nutrition blueprint. It's not magic. It's a series of questions that indicate the foods that fit you. Now, I include this in my coaching package, but I do offer it separately a couple of times a year and at a discount. If you'd like to discover your unique nutrition blueprint, contact me at renee@packyourownbag.com, or you can check out the links below. Knowing it made maintaining, and I would imagine losing, easy for me. All the best.